You actually made the point in your presentation that if the Council's position on Article 8 and Annex 6 were to be taken, the potential saving is much smaller.
The Commission's assessment of the Council's text as of mid-April, so something has changed already since then, but at that moment was that the impact would be relatively low. Low because of a number of deletions done by the Council that were supposed to provide clarity or, let's say, meaning to some of the provisions. This resulted in the Commission's assessment that the impact of the Council text at that moment was something only about 1 million tons of oil equivalent over what we have already, the business as usual. While the Commission's original proposal was for Article 8 and Annex 6, for the combined set of measures, was to deliver something like 26.5 million tons of oil equivalent of energy savings in Europe.
And in fact, under the Council provision, it will be, I think, less than half, you said.
By far, yes, significantly less. But as I said, I do hope that there is still a scope for a compromise, and there will be some possibilities to give the meaning of some of the existing already provisions, both in the Council text and the Parliament text.
Are you still hopeful that there can be a compromise that is more than just the lowest common denominator, reached before the end of the Danish presidency at the end of June?
What we have heard so far, both from the Danish presidency and the Council, is that there is a willingness to go towards political agreement on the critical elements of the directive by the end of the Danish presidency, so by the end of June. I do believe this is still possible.